Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Dre again with Hartman Adventures. They up on another fishing adventure this morning. Me and Uncle Berty there. Just set up some lines in our water. But there, just set up them lines there. And they are wait to see if we ever get any runs. But so far, haven't gotten any action as yet. So we just wait. Me and Uncle Berty there. Uncle Berty sit down over that side there. So as soon as we get any hookups, we're definitely going to tune in back with you guys so that you can get in on the action. So guys, before we go, just remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. Guys, I can't thank you enough for all the support that you've been giving to me. Trust me, the support so far has been tremendous. So thanks again for all the support. Continue supporting, and until we get a hookup, Hartman Adventures out here again. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Little. Yeah, little smart snapper. Circle hook right in the corner of my mouth.
Perfectly.
Yeah. That's why I like use the circle hook them, because at least when you catch the inside you can let them go without hurt them. Go on. You come off already. You find guinea in them time, man. I don't guinea time now, man. This is guinea normally September, August, September. I guinea time. Me run, man. No bad still. Can't. Not take it.
Next time we come out and see rain fall on the river, then come down.
Like rainfall yesterday. Oh.
The river come down. Mama the other time. Mama can't fish that time.
Another bite. Fish on again. Fish on again. Fish on again. Oh, a snapper. A small one.
Remember?
Yeah.
I want to snapper like lane.
Yeah, man. Lane snapper, guys, but too small, so we're going to let him go. Go and go call your grandmother. I just brought them, Berty. See me? See him right there, Jetty there, so. Yeah.
Even the night, that's what good do. Me already man them chat about it.
Mm-hmm.
When I say when the river comes down, you know.
Mm-hmm. See the drug? See the drug, man. That gone already, Bertie. That gone. In the day. You feel him? Hold him, Uncle Bert. Fish on. We have the
Stingray.
stingray, man. Carry him down there, so. Oh, you can't lift him out, man. You're lying strong, though. You have to go cut this here. Oh, you take out it. You swallow it, man.
Hey, my friend, me there and me say, oh, my line
Get so slack.
Eh.
Watch your tail.
Give me something, cat.
Eh.
Same tail line, man.
See, Bob, you say, you know. Bertie, hold a phone now, Bertie, please.
Hello. Hey, what? Snap right now. Snoop.
Yeah.
I want Jack.
Oh, and Jack.
I'm all
No,
right.
I'm alright.
I'm alright.
You fat.
You going alright? Hey, pretty girl, what happened? Same place after your place. How's the catch on more like yours? Uh-huh. Yeah, man.
Nice, Mahara. First one.
Yeah. I'm going good, man. What on there? I really want to talk to you.
Hold on.
What on there, mommy? So you feel now? Okay.
There he is, guys. Turn up.
Now come off. Here?
Mahara. Alright guys, my Uncle Berty change spot, but around the other side are kind of a little bit rocky, kind of tricky to get to, so it's a small little area we have to trap against the water to get to where we want to go. It's a little bit windy, so we'll try and move, see if we can go up on the inside where it's not as windy as out on the open. Yes guys, so we're on the other side. We're coming from all the way around that side out there and the other side now, so trying to get around to another side again. Kind of walk under here. All part of the adventure, people. All part of the adventure. Where we were this morning, we weren't getting a lot of action there, so we decided that we're going to move. Come find some deeper water, but the deeper water is too open, so it's very windy around here. We've been walking for probably like 10 minutes now. So we're just trying to get to somewhere that is not as open. So the breeze won't affect us too much, but yeah, it's all part of the adventure, you know. My Uncle Berty there. Yeah, the Uncle Berty.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, man. Yeah. Part of adventure, people, so just stay tuned. Them until you see them stone are sharp like razor, people. Alright, so we're coming up to a little opening now. Water is still a little bit deeper than where we were this morning, but it's still somewhat windy, but it seems like we have a lot of bait around here because I see some birds. So there's a bird right there. Berty, you cannot try to drop you over that side there. You cannot try to drop you up there, so. Huh? Alright, Uncle Bert. This no look like one long jaw, you know, cause this no flick up yet. I probably one jack. Probably one horse, yeah. The hook. See my run. Hold on, let me go for it, yeah. It's two one.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Necessary.
A jack, you know. 100% a jack. If a long jaw and jump out of the water already. John no star. Put the back same place. Feel the line, feel the line. Eh? From the long jaw first time, you know. You should have changed the leader from the first long jaw.
Friend, I want nice to friend.
Yeah man, I tell you say jack no man come through this virgin. 100% I want jack that, you know. You say if I want long jaw, you'd have seen jump out of the water a long time.
This is from right side now, this is come like shallow, you know.
Exactly. I say jack then go on and try wrap you around the stone and that thing you want to do. So Uncle Berty just get a nice run from one jack. But as soon as he come in a shallow, The line cut from one stone. So I'm rig up again to go back out there. It kind of a little bit windy still, guys, so we still a try, but make us see what I go on. Very windy. No, Bert. I can spot that up on fire, man. You have to go carry home sitting there. You have to carry home sitting out of that spot there. Huh? No making too tight, you know.
No, man, you go spool it.
He can't spool you, man. You have enough line. He have it up run. Ah! Put on the wire, my yo. Me tell you, put on the wire. Put on the wire, man. Much time to tell you put on the wire.
I want it.
My yo, put on the wire, my yo. You're a joke, Bertie. Bertie, you're ramping, man. You don't have a wire leader. Yes, guys, so I've been fishing for a little bit now. Still windy, but whoa, look at this. I haven't been getting any runs. I'm running out of bait now. All of this sprat them already carry with me. Finish. So started hunting some soldier crabs. Find some nice ones inside here. Started hunting some soldier crabs, so I'm going to try see if I can use some soldier crabs and see what I can get this evening. But yeah, that's what's up right now. So as soon as I get back, see Uncle Berty all the way over there. That's where we've been fishing. So as soon as I get back over there, set up some lines again, then I'll tune in back with you. But for now, I'm just hunting some soldier crabs, see what I can find. See if we can continue fishing, get anything else around here. Guys, you guys have to see this. I'm not even going to turn off the camera. I'm not even going to turn off the camera. So, I have been searching for soldier crabs. See them here? I'm here, Uncle Berty, a ball out my name. Uncle Berty, a ball. Guys, I'm not turn off the camera, I swear. I walk go straight to Uncle Berty. Uncle Berty rod. Uncle Berty get a run. And the rod broke in about 4 pieces, guys. I'm not lie to you. Look, look. Uncle Berty, show what I want. And you rod? About 5 pieces rod broke in. How you hook up on? You see him? You see it? You not see him? No, Berty. I see rod. What is it, me see rod? The rod shell out. And it cut off, you know?
That's what make me out.
Yo! Uncle Berty, what was the line a while ago?
My friend, I have to sack. I can't enough. My friend, I hit stuff with my foot. You know, sir?
Eh? Alright, see him place in there.
Same place in there.
No, Bertie, we have to hold this evening. Bertie, it have to go broke for me rod too. It have to go broke for me rod too, because me a drop sitting else in there. I don't know, so that can me catch you. Guys, I have no idea. Uncle Berty changed the leader. Uncle Berty get cut off right there so about 5 different times. So I tell Uncle Berty, say Uncle Berty put on a wire leader. Uncle Berty put on a wire leader and throw it out in there. And whatever Uncle Berty hook up, just mash up in rod. The rod bust up, guys. Me not tell you no lie. I've never seen this. Guys, I've never seen this. This is a rod. Broke. Right here so. Right here so. The rod broke. Here. 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 And here. 5 different places the rod broke. Never see this yet, Uncle Berty.
Friend, I said I was school me line a while ago and you say me now was schooling me. No, my friend.
But me not expect him to spool it. I no fly in your van.
Friend.
Want to see what this time, Uncle Bert? Take time with him, man. Huh? Oh, stingray this. You see him? In Lidon? King run, man. Yo! Take out your phone, take out your phone. More come, more, one more. Never man. Tired, come up, my boy. They're on the high tide now. He move. Guys, I was just soaked from head to toe. Uncle Berty is soaked to phone and everything. He lay down, not you? If I want you, you see, I now hook you see a man 2 times.
The first one on stingray.
No, the first one on stingray. That now boss is easy, you know? The boss now. He move. He move. He's on the incoming now. Huh? See him right there. See him right there, sir.
Shark.
A shark. Oh, a reef shark.
I'm too long time see a shark, Bridget.
Oh, a reef shark.
Too long time see a shark.
Eh?
You think I do up there, make it?
But me tell you. Oh, a nurse shark. Oh, a nurse shark. Climb up, Berty.
My friend, I'm too long time see a shark.
A fish shark, you want to mash up your rod. Carry me. Pull him up on this, sir.
Yeah, I'll go up on you.
You come up, man. You see tired in, man.
Too long time see a shark. I think I do up there.
Oh, a nurse shark.
Tell a long time, I just do a shark.
Oh, a nurse shark.
So, right, I can.
Yeah.
Why man, I wine. You can't do nothing, you know.
No man, carry him up, pan it.
And we take out
the hook.
That's right, I can't.
Right I can't, I'm out. Carry him up, man. Use the wave, carry him up.
You can't do nothing, man.
Yeah, go get the pliers, brother. A fish shark, Berty. The first one we mash up your rod, a fish shark, yeah? Alright, people, so I think we kind of have an idea what mash up Uncle Berty rod today. You just catch a nurse shark. Uncle Berty just hook up a nurse shark. So try to see if we can get out the hook. Huh? Yeah man, I did good fish. The first one I want, nice one. You want to hold him?
No man, I came back to the man, I just want to use just now and see circle out there. You don't keep them out. Let's go to the circle and the summer and take out the hook. You know I don't keep them out none time. You know not what can bite and I cut and I choke and I.
Bert, you know want to take one picture?
So man. You know my camera. What the hook itself, you know.
His skin coarse, yeah?
Yeah man.
Straight now the hook, you know. Alright guys, there he is. Done. That's a nurse shark. You want to mash up a rod bigger than that though?
I apply a vine in it.
No, it's straight north, it's straight north. See man there? You conquer one man, you conquer one. You know, I know all loses today. I know all loses today man, you get it. Right now I'm soak. Oh, I'm soak, I know I'm going in the car. And they go chop, you go straight back around here. You have a shark, man. I never shark. I never shark. First one, I never shark. But the other, the second and the third one are probably stingray. But the one that broke your rod, a shark, but I want bigger shark than that.
The one wow, both the super they run.
Yes, yes. The first one we want good fish. Woo! That's pretty much all the action for today, guys. We have a long walk to get back to the cars. I'm fully soaked because Uncle Berty hooked up on a shark just now, a nurse shark, and I was there trying to capture some of the footage, and a big wave just come up, pretty much soaked me from my hat all the way down. Uncle Berty soaked just the same. So we have a good little walk to make it back to the cars. So that's pretty much it for the day's adventure. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the other video.